Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech, where I upload videos on how you can earn money online and get paid to your gift cards, your PayPal, your Pioneer, and even your local accounts wherever you are around the world. So in this video, I'm going to show you app in which you can install and earn while using the app. So before we jump into the video we have for today, please I love you to hit the subscription button below if you have not done so, and if today is your first time visiting our channel, so that YouTube can promote this channel for others to come and benefit from it. And also hit the notification bell below so that you get notified whenever we drop nice videos like this. I just promise that I will not waste much of your time, so quickly let's move into the app, because I just promise that this time around I will not make my videos too long. I'll just try to make my videos snappy but a lot of nice content. So the app we have for today is SlideJoy. SlideJoy is a very nice app. I've been using it, and all you have to do is to install the app and leave it to run as lock screen on your phone. Why I love the app, you don't need to answer surveys, you don't need to stress yourself on watching videos or AdSense. All you have to do is to lock your phone with it, that's all, and get paid by that. So it's a very nice app, and if you can go through on how you can make use of it. When you slide right, you go to your home screen if the app is locking your phone. When you slide left, you go to the contents of the app, and if you slide up, you go to news, and they notify you of things that are happening around the world. It's a very nice app. You will love it when you install it. It's a very nice app, and you get paid by PayPal or any gift cards. So it's a very nice app. You can go at your leisure time and take a very good look at it. It's a very nice app. I just promise that I will not waste much of your time. I would have gone some of the reviews about people on this app on Play Store. So in your own leisure time, you can go through the app and check it out. So I would just love us to take a look at the videos we have in this Play Store. So let's watch.
Happiness is found in the little things, like the flurry of birthday messages right when you wake up, the much-needed coffee, rewarding yourself for nailing the big moment, rewarding someone special for nailing their big moment, and even remembering to think of the world around you. SlideJoy is the lock screen that keeps you up to date with trending news, organizes your phone, and actually pays you for it. By renting SlideJoy or lock screen, you accumulate carrots that can be redeemed for cash, gift cards to some of your favorite brands, or even donated to charity. With so many benefits in a lock screen, why would you not download SlideJoy? Don't miss out.
So you have seen it. It's a very nice app. You can go and check it out yourself. It's a very good app. I just promise that I will not be wasting your time. I will try to maintain 5 to 3 minutes of videos, not to take much of your time, but to hit straight to the point on what you have. So you can check it out for you. So that's it, guys. Catch you up later, and please I beg again, if you have not hit on the subscription button below, please do well to do so, so that our YouTube can promote this channel, for this channel to move forward, and for others to also benefit from this channel. And also hit the notification bell so that whenever we get a nice videos like this, you can get notified about it. So thank you, and thank you once again. Peace out.